Hey guys, I just want to let you know we've got 2 webinars on this week. That's how amazing it is. So the first webinar is tomorrow at 7 p.m. CST. I'm going to share my screen. It's about learn how to launch your online business and earn 100% profit around your busy schedule. How actually both of them cover that, but the other one is more about the Black Friday and getting 2025. If you miss out of these things, you're going to miss out. So number one, we're going to launch how to launch a profitable online business with ease. The other one, the power of automation, so your business works 24/7, and how to make 100% profit online without tech skills and endless hours of working. Why Black Friday is the perfect time to start, because you can get an additional income stream for free, a total funnel for free. Who offers that online? Nobody. Okay, and then tomorrow, I just want to show you the graphics. Holiday Cash Made Simple, how to earn extra income online and create a stress-free 2025. It will be 11 a.m. CST. Okay, 11 a.m. CST. This one we're going to go over basically the same things. Are you worried about your holiday expenses? This will be, I'll put the details in. You're going to learn how to make extra cash before the holidays. Let me rather talk to you. You're going to learn how to make extra cash before the holidays quickly and easily, okay? Start an online business that works around your busy schedule. You can launch this business in 2 days. And the reason why I'm saying that is because it's a master resale rights program that has been done for you. All you have to do is copy, paste, and it populates your whole business in a box, plus your training, plus your 4 products, plus this extra stream of income for you get all that for free. So it is amazing. And then also how to use simple strategies to attract paying customers online. Start an online business that works within 2 days. Automate your income so that you focus on what really makes a difference. And that's what it is. We teach you how to go on daily, just to do a few little posts, 45 seconds, 1 minute. Shouldn't take you more than an hour every day, just to create a few posts like I am now. This is part of our strategy. It's attracting you that is ready to start online and become a digital nomad like I am. So if you're ready to get started online, guys, this is seriously the most amazing opportunity, because I can create my own products. I've been an entrepreneur since 2005, and I saw this opportunity within 2 hours. I bought it because it's so cheap. For what you get, it's worth $10,000. For under $1,000, you're getting 5 streams of income with Black Friday. If you want to, you can start on $100. For what you're getting training, live training every Monday for $100. Plus you're getting a business in a box, funnel, a total business in a box. Plus you're getting 1 stream of income, and with Black Friday, if you buy before Black Friday, 2 streams of income for $100. It's like for nothing. I would recommend going for the 900, because you get 4 streams, now 5 streams of income with Black Friday, 5 streams of income and 5 chances of closing a deal daily. So we'll teach you all the strategies. I promise you, it is so beginner friendly. I'm experienced and I'm still learning, and I'm loving it. It's really, really amazing. Such good value. So if you want to get started online, become a digital nomad at the age of 50 plus. I'm 60 now, so if I can, you can. If you want to work from home and spend more time with your family, or do you want to retire early and not stress about not having enough money for retirement, this is the best way to make money. People are doing so well. If you follow me, go either into my YouTube, my Facebook, or into my TikTok, I often share the strategies inside. In 5 days, I made $2,100 without even trying. It's just connecting with people, and the people that are entrepreneurs, sorry, the dog's coughing. True entrepreneurs will see the value of this. And this is what I'm saying, guys. I'm so excited about this. I've even left my own products, because I know this is the easiest way to help people without any stress. I wish I had found out about this in 2020, because I had to pay $2,300 to Amy Porterfield to learn how to do a course. You're getting 4 for free, done for you. Seriously amazing value. So come into the webinars. Please just tell me webinar 1 or webinar 2. So webinar 1 is at 7 p.m. Tomorrow night, Thursday night, and the other one is 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, both of them, 11 a.m. and that's more about how to get your 2025 going. Let's start making money for your holidays and getting ready for 2025. So just say webinar 1, webinar 2, or webinar 1 and 2, and I'll send you the Zoom links. There's limited space, so I can't publish my link. You have to tell me you want to come on. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.